All right, everyone, it's MDB with a quick weekend review. 100 stocks in 30 minutes. So let's get into it. So let's see our first chart here on the screen that you can see. NASDAQ. What do we see here? Weekly view right there. Signal 4 weeks ago. Yeah, we kept going up a little bit. Oh, oof, pink bar. Time to drop. And look at this. Ever since then, we've had red, red, red. So yeah, I think everybody's noticed that stocks have been dropping. Am I right? Or am I right? I think I'm right. But yeah, this doesn't look so hot. There's a signal to get out, and then a reinforcing signal, that things have changed. So let's take a quick peek at some of these index things. MLPs, yeah, doing okay. Let's see if anything stands out. Down on that. Kathy Wood, Jesus. Oil, here you go. This BZJ thing is the only TC2000 proxy for crude oil I got. But look at that. Woo, going up. Energy prices. NASDAQ. Uh-oh. FFTY, this is growth. Signal right there. And now look at it coming down here. And look, that is a white bar. White bar signals are my little proprietary coding when something goes pretty bad. And you see big red volume right there. I'd say it's saying that growth is off the table at the moment. Market agrees. Bitcoin, kind of interesting. Look at that. A little signal there, but well, it's hung in. I think Bitcoin's going to start going up. I don't know for sure, but looks like it to me. Let's see here. Anything else looking pretty exciting? IGV, software index. Yep, signal. Second signal. So explains it. See, this is how I'm looking for things that look unusual, different color bars. So using this, I can just whip through charts, and it doesn't take me very long to go through them, and yet I can still know exactly what's going on here. Yeah, QQQs up here, yeah, same story. RSPs hanging in there, top of the box. Oh, the shy. So this thing, every time this goes down, that means the chances of Fed hikes go up and interest rates go up. That's the best thing I can find for inflation, I guess, at the moment. Not good. Semiconductors failed the box right here. Tried to break out and whoop, belly flop. That would be a sell signal. You know, it's interesting. The S&P 500, the NASDAQ's gotten all these signals. S&P 500 doesn't have any signals. None, nada. So that tells me that dividend, regular economy America isn't doing so hot. And all the action that was in tech stocks, everybody was pouring into them. Now they're all pouring out of them. And I've got the spies here to confirm anything, to see if there's anything that doesn't show up. But they're pretty much uniform. Oh, sentiment, let's see, nothing too crazy. Solar, solar. The tan is better seen on the monthly. Look at that. That is a box breakdown on the monthly. That's why I'm short ENPH. Eat it, suckers. Let's get back to this. TLTs, yep, bonds dropping. That's a box breakdown right there. Ten-year treasuries starting to touch the top of this box. And again, bond yields going up. Not good for stocks. Uranium Bros. There's nothing going on there. FBI. Oh, here we go. XLE Energy box breakout. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 weeks ago. And look at it go with a blue bar right here. Investors are now starting to look and see, oh yeah, energy's going up. I'm buying it. So the blue bar tells me that that's, you know, they might see some acceleration here going forward. And nothing else much that sticks out on the indexes. Let's go into these stocks. So this list too, personal list I put here. This is the one list which I put stuff that are breakouts and stuff that I think is the best of the best. And like here's little AOI. That had a breakout back here in June. And this sucker's still running. Shout out to RC who nailed this trade, and I think he still got it. He's a super trader, not me. But here looking for anything interesting. Oh, AMR. This is coal. And you see box breakout right there. Oh, got to put a little circle. Box breakout right there. These circles here are where I traded it back in June when I went to Vegas on a Vegas trip. And I asked my subconscious, you know, find me trades, make money to pay for my trip. What did I do? I bought coal. I put it on Twitter. I couldn't believe I bought coal. Like, who's crazy enough to buy coal? You gotta be crazy. Well, I am crazy enough to buy it. And then I sold it, bought it the blue, sold it at the red. And what does it do? It keeps going up. And now look at it. We may have to all buy it back again. The subconscious brain is amazing. Oh, box breakout, ANET. A tough one, but if you bought it, hopefully you're making money. Sell H, I've got this. Box breakout, woohoo! And look here, the volume, the green volume, the march of the green volume. Boom, 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 boom. When this thing's got a little crazy in this period here, I look for reds, and I don't see them. So that tells me, hey, hold on to it. Don't sell it. And now look at it now. Oh, CVNA. You know, even though CVA is, you know, scraped in the 50s, which I put out there on Twitter, I said, yeah, I think it's headed for the 50s because it was heading for this little peak here from a year ago, and it hit it, and now it's sort of struggling, but it still doesn't look awful. Dash with a pink bar. If you were long from the breakout here in May, that would be a good spot to have taken some profits. ELF, I bought this week. Right here, see this goalpost volume? Two roughly similar size. That's usually a bullish sign. And so I bought some ELF earlier this week. So far, so good. Knock on wood, so far, so good. Google locked in its box breakout. Gotta fix these things. Thank God IonQ had a good rebound. I was losing my ass on it off the top. I'm long down here from 10 bucks, but you know, it just sucks seeing it give up gains. You know, I hate to see anything give up gains, but you know, it is what it is. Anything interesting here? Oh yeah, Rivian. Rivian's not dead yet. It's still on the good list. Maybe there's a buy somewhere in here. Maybe? I don't know. For that type of thing, we have to wait for a signal, a real signal, like a color signal. Something maybe on the daily chart. Something maybe on the weekly chart, maybe something on the monthly chart, who knows? But until we get a real signal, just going to watch it and, see what happens. Toast. I bought some toast today, and here's why. A box breakout with a yellow bar also. That's a real good bullish sign. The yellow, the colors, again, are various different indicators that I squished into the bars, and if they hit, the bars turn color. So nothing's guaranteed, but it's got good odds. Let's put it that way. Some other people on Twitter put out that they've used toast, and one put out that they have it for their restaurant, I believe. And, they said they really like it. So that's a good endorsement. The only thing I don't like is it's got like 400 or 500 million shares outstanding. It's a big fat whale, but, from this perspective, it looks pretty good. Monthly chart. There's a box breakout with a shooter bar, but I don't know, it's rebounding off that. I like it. We'll see what happens. Oops, did I get the right? No, wrong view. There we go. Yeah, here's another one, URI. Box breakout right there. I did not buy this one, but this one's good indicator of general health in the economy. So this pullback is really all about overvalued tech stocks. If there's a theme, that's it. All the tech stocks that got bid up and overbaked, those are the problem areas now. Regular America is doing okay. APP, nice move. I don't own it, but no, I wish I did. Axon, look at that. Yellow bar signal. Bullish earnings. It's a hard one to own, though. Not easy. I feel like I'm easy. Easy with no risk. I don't know about this one. This is always a little bearish combo right here. Big green bar, you get excited, right? Big green. And then what did they do? As soon as it got up to here, baby, we got to sell this thing. Sell, sell, sell. You got Winthorpe and Valentine hit you in the face on this one. So whenever you get a big red following a big green, that kind of means, hold your horses. Oh, I like this one, Bros. A yellow bar signal, it's inside a box. So this one might have potential to start. You could start some, or maybe you need to wait a little bit more. Hard to tell. But we've got about a 6-point range to figure it out from the top of the box to where it is right now. So if it keeps improving, we will take note. Oh, this one. As you read on Twitter, I had a temper tantrum meltdown because this one, it zoomed up, yay, and then all it's done is sell off ever since. Sell, 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 sell. Just so annoying. And the correct spot to sell, I should have done this. We all should have bailed at the bottom of this inside bar, the gray, at about 98. 98 to 100 is where we should have bailed. But it just launched. I'm greedy. So instead of selling at 100, it's now at 81 and, keeps going down. It sucks. I hate it. I don't ever want to see it. Maybe we should take it off the list. Rig, oil and gas here. I am long rig from here. I went off daily signals in there. It's been moving up. It's not an easy one to hold, but if you go to the monthly chart, it came out of a very long 3-year box, 3.5 years. So that's a good reason to own it. And look at all the volume from all in here. Well, I would like to see a giant green bar in here. At the moment, we'll just take it for what it is. The Stinger. I bought Stinger last week and also this week. I got to update this a little bit. But anyways, you can see it's sort of a breakout. I mean, it's up, making a little bit of money, but it's not the strongest breakout. Like, it's not slamming its way out. So maybe it'll work, maybe not. And OII, also another oil related one. CVX. Yeah, Chevron. Hard to say. I bet ExxonMobil's looks good. No, even ExxonMobil. So actually, the XLE looks better than the major giant oil companies. At least the two I can do. Buy XLE. All right, bearish thrusts. How are we doing on time? 16 minutes. All right, we got 14 minutes left. AI, piece of crap. This list I've got, number 4, bearish thrusts. It's when there's maybe a bearish signal. I'm always reordering the list, like always moving different stuff around. The most exciting one's going to be list 5. Those are the real box breakdowns. But you see, bearish signal there. Look at it now. That was at 125 or so. Now it's at 105. Trade by color, baby. I own MNDY. I'm a bad boy because this is a box breakdown. I should be selling it. But I really like it, so I'm going to ignore it. And I might have a temper tantrum on this one. And it may be a big mistake. But we'll see. Here, we should put this here. In fact, this qualifies for a list 5. God damn it. All the hot stuff's come in. Tesla is down. I'm short here at the red circle. So far, so good. Maybe it comes down here to my weekly moving average. But who knows? Maybe it drops all the way down. I don't know. But this one's good because I saw this coming a mile away right here. Decided to take some action. And so far, so good. All right, let's get into the exciting stuff. Apple, box breakdown. And I'm shorted from up here at 185 and a quarter. Excellent hedge when the market's going down. This here is what I consider to be a box failure, which is a bearish signal. So check this out. I'll draw an extension like that. That there is a failure, because if you bought it here at the breakout, well now, if you held it, you'd be losing money. So that's sort of your uncle point. Bail out. That little piece of crap. Crocs. Absolutely gross. Look how the character changed. Green, 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 red. And ever since then, red, 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 red. Just looking at the volume just tells you everything you need to know. You don't even need to know all this stuff on the price bars. Just look at the money flow. That'll tell you what to do. D-Dog, barf. DOCN, barf. Ugh, Docs, barf. EMPH, I'm short this, barf. Although Granted, if I was really good, I would have been shorting it up here back in December, but better late than never. Where's it? Because again, this one is on the monthly chart. Yeah, just going down. Where's it going to go to? Down at 80, maybe? I'll take it. Let's make some money. Oop, wrong view. There we go. Box breakdown, breakdown, breakdown. Everybody loves IoT also. I do not. I don't think it's going anywhere. Breakdown. Ooh, that one's pretty ugly. Breakdown. And that's on MDB also. How could you do this, MDB? There's Monday, Psy. Microsoft, box breakdown. But you know what? It's down, but the big volume was up here. Now it's sort of some soft follow through. So I don't know how negative that's truly going to be in the long run. For traders, yeah. For investors, you could use this moving average line and add to it like 310. You might get a great deal. PLTR. See, you extend the edge. I extend the edge like that. That's a clear sell, take profits. Maybe not short, but sell, take profits. Wait for a new signal. It's so hot, a new signal will probably come. Roblox, barf. Rambus, barf, I had that one. Lucky I didn't get killed. SE, barf. Shot, barf. Not a huge barf, but still. Basically, what the sector's saying is avoid it. All these ones avoids. They're not ready now. They've been wrecked. Ugh. My favorites. Ugh, TMDX. Look at that. And look at this. I thought I was selling at a bad spot. No. It's not at 64. Unbelievable. And the shape of the Bollinger Band here, I bet this is going to go down to the 50s. Might go down to 50 even. It's just overvalued. Upstart. Barf. Escalator up, elevator down. Breakdown. So these are ones all which I put in this special list so that I get reminded to avoid them. Last list, and then we're almost done here. Watching. Oh, this one's already on the other list. But, you know, a lot of people like this one. I had the breakout here, but then it didn't really go anywhere. They tried to take it up here, but there's just no mojo. See down here? There's no volume mojo. There's nothing going on. And here it gave a signal, and now it's heading down. What can you do? AMD weekly. For all the hot news, it looks like it's breaking down to me. All these buyers get screwed because they're buying in the middle of a box. Just buying at the wrong time, that's all. Look at this, Berkshire B, regular America. Not doing too bad here. But look, it's at the prior high, so yeah, it makes sense that it's going to have some volatility. But the fact that this is moving up makes me feel like, yeah, the underlying economy is still doing okay. BTU, you got to be crazy to buy coal, right? Only on Vegas trips. And I bought that stuff when I was on the plane. I was on Delta Airlines and I was on the plane Wi-Fi when I bought that. My subconscious mind. When you ask your subconscious to do something, you know, you get a reply. DraftKings. For some reason, people love the stock. I don't know why, but they do. But look, you had a normal box breakout here, write it up here, and then at the pink bar, sell it. Trade by color, baby. Darvas style. Ford. And Globe, I sold this one. Bought it back here, sold it up here. Now look at it. I thought I was stupid when it jammed higher, but now look at it now. And you know, I put on this on Twitter that the Bollinger Bands really influenced me. And yeah, you see right there, coming in like that. What those do is it measures volatility. Like it's the line between normal and abnormal. So, oh, anything else? We're almost done here. But as you can see, there's not a ton new that's standing out or anything getting exciting. It's really all about stuff that's been getting slaughtered, that went way too high, should not have gone that high, and now you know it all gets taken apart on the pullback. So you better click the sell button. But as far as new buys, maybe AMR is your new buy. Or maybe Toast is the new buy. There is stuff setting up that could go up, but you know, it's worth trying. Keep your expectations low, and we'll see what happens. And if a stock's not working, get rid of it. See anything else of interest? I feel like I'm missing a few tickers. But the good list, well, the good list normally in a really bad market, this list number 2, box breakout leaders, normally list 2 is empty, has like nothing there. During real downtrends, this box tends to be empty. Like there may be 1 or 2 stocks. The fact that there's still this many in this list, still, yeah, it means things aren't so bad yet, knock on wood. But that's how I go through stocks and look at it less than 30 minutes. So devise your own system, keep it simple, and I will chat with you next week. Have a good one. Come on, stop. Stop it. All right, well, this is not good. How does this work?